Hello, welcome. On today's lesson, I am going to give you the most popular way to play minor 2-5-1s. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to be in the key of G minor. So we can play an A minor 7, flat 5, a D 7, altered, and then to a G minor. Okay, so that's one way we can do it. And this voicing right here, I'm just going to give you the most popular voicings, right? So you don't have to worry about every single voicing under the sun. These are the most commonly used and the best voicings. This is 5, 5, 5, 4. Okay? That was an A minor 7 flat 5. This is a D7 with the sharp 9. This is like the Purple Haze Jimmy chord, right? And this is 5, 4, 5, 6. Right? And then we go to just a G minor. So this is an A minor 7 flat 5, a D7 with the sharp 9, and a G minor 7. Okay? Really, really nice for something like summertime. Summertime and the living is easy, right? Something like that. All right, here is the second most popular way to play a minor 2-5-1. We're going to play it all the way up here. We're going to say something like this. Okay? So this is an A minor 7 flat 5 to a D7 with a raised 5. And then we have this G minor 9 chord. So this first chord, this A minor 7 flat 5, is 12, 13, 12, 13. Okay? That is a really, really nice, pretty voicing. Then we have this D7, which this nice altered, it's kind of a fun little altered thing. And this is 10, 10, 13, 10, 10, 11, 11. So it's the D7 sharp 5. And then we have this chord, which is a G minor 9. And I am playing 10, 8, 10, 10. It's a really, really beautiful chord. Whew, beautiful. Okay, so those are two of the most popular ways, and here's the third and final most popular way to play a minor 2-5-1. It sounds like this. One more time. Now this time I don't have the root, right? I'm not playing do, do, do. I'm not playing these roots, but that's okay. It leaves something to the imagination. So this is an A minor 7 flat 5, and I'm playing 10, 12, 10. I'm barring right here on the 10th fret, and then have my middle finger on the 11th fret. Then I have this chord, which is just a D7 altered. It's got a sharp 5 in it, which is I'm playing a 10, 11, 11, 10. And then I am resolving to this really pretty chord. So I'm barring on the 8th fret right here. And then I am playing 10, 8, 10, 10, 8. So let's review everything. These are the most common minor 2-5-1 voicings. That was our example 1. Here's example 2. Right, that's example 2, and here is example 3. Really, really common for jazz, like Summertime, or R&B. Some song like All I Do Is Think About You, that Stevie Wonder song. All I do, right, is think about you. Right, and you got to know these voicings if you want to be able to play these songs, right? And these voicings are the best and the most common that I've found through 20 plus years of experience playing guitar. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon.